Alright, so let's proceed ahead with the relational or comparison operator. So we have talked about uh, numerical operators like plus, minus, multiplication, floor division, modulo operator, where it returns, so for example, if we perform 2 plus 2, it will return the numerical output 4. Okay? Here, the comparison operator, the output is a Boolean type. Boolean means like it could be two of the possible outcomes, like true or false. Okay? So what are the Boolean operators? The Boolean operators are this equal equal, which is the comparison, making a comparison whether both values are equal, not equal, less than equal, greater than equal. So assume that the value of x is 3. When you make a comparison, if x equal 3, it will return true. And if we perform a check on if x is not equal 3, it will return false, because actually the value of x is 3. So you may expect similar kind of questions in exam. It's very easy. All what you need to do is to just start reading from top to bottom what is being asked. So I might give you a value of x, okay? And then I might have some sort of like statements like this. So you should be able to respond or choose a correct answer from the given options. What will be the value? For example, here x is greater than 3. Is it true or false? Because x is exactly equal to 3, it is not greater than 3, so it will return false. However, if I perform the same similar kind of thing, a check with greater than equal function, then x is equivalent to 3, but not greater than 3, but it will still return true. Okay? Any question here? These operators are also referred as relational operator because we try to check the relation between the two operands, whether A is equal to B, or A is greater than B or less than B. So we are trying to check the relation. Okay? Any question here?